Hello, good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to continue this summary of lesson 6, The Making of a Scientist, by Robert W. Peterson. And in last video we found that a Bright had interest to collect butterflies. His mother helps him as a true friend in his scientific experiments. She bought telescopes, microscopes, cameras and other equipments for him. Bright started his work on butterflies, but it was an uninteresting job to chase them one by one and collect them. It was not interesting for him to chase them. Chase means उनका पीछा करना, to run after them and collect one by one. It was a very time consuming job for him, so he loses his interest. Then he decides to do real experiments. And now I am going to continue from here. Its important points are: decides to do real experiments. In 7th grade, Bright got a hint of what real science is. He entered a country science fair and lost. His entries were slides of frog tissues. His entries were slides of frog tissues. He realized that the winners had tried to do real experiments. If we want to win something, we have to present real experiments, not fake experiments or monotonous experiments. So he decided to do a real experiment. The subject was the insect work that he had already been doing. Insect work was the subject. In this subject he had already been doing his work. Writes to Dr. Urquhart. He wrote a letter to Dr. Urquhart for ideas. Back came many suggestions for experiments. These kept Bright busy all through high school. What happened? He wrote to Dr. Urquhart, and Urquhart made him busy whole year through high school. These also led him to prize projects in country and international science fairs. ये क्या इस दौरान उसे बहुत बिजी रखा आर्कहर्ट ने, और इससे वो क्या है कि इंटरनेशनल फेयर्स के अंदर उसने एंट्री ली, जो उसे देहात और इंटरनेशनल मेलों में इनामी प्रोजेक्ट की तरफ भी ले गए. His research wins. Now he wins for his research for his 8th grade project. Bright tried to find the cause of a viral disease. Viral disease means एक जो बीमारी वायरल हो जाती है और इन्फेक्शन उसका बढ़ता जाता है. So he tried to find the cause. What were the causes of viral disease? He worked on this viral disease. It killed all monarch caterpillars. Monarch caterpillars means जो monarch butterflies, not caterpillars are क्या कहते हैं कि adolescents butterflies. They are not matured. They are in their first stage caterpillars. He thought the disease might be carried by a beetle. He thought कि जो वायरल डिजीज़ है वो कैटर मतलब बीटल के ज़रिए फैलाई गई है. He tried to raising caterpillars in the presence of beetles. So he tried to raise means उनको rear करना, पालना. He tried to rear caterpillars in the presence of beetles, but he didn't get any real results. But he showed his experiment and won. But he did not find any real results about his experiment of caterpillars in raising caterpillars in the presence of beetles, but he did not get any result. But he won the prize. He won the prize on his experiment. His theory on butterflies. Theory means fact. His fact on butterflies. The next year, his science fair project was testing the theory. The theory was that viceroy butterflies copy monarchs. Viceroy butterflies are not real monarch, but they copy them. Monarch butterflies are copied by the viceroy butterflies. The theory was that viceroys look like monarchs. What was the theory? What was the fact? Fact was that viceroy butterflies resemble to monarch butterflies. वो एक दूसरे से मिलती जुलती होती हैं. Duplicate we can say, but because monarchs don't taste good to birds. Monarchs are not tasty for birds. Viceroys taste good to birds. On the other hand, viceroys butterflies are very good in taste for the birds. So the more they look like monarchs, the less likely they are to become a bird's food. यानी कि जितनी अधिक वे मोनार्क की तरह दिखती हैं उतनी ही कम वे पक्षी का खाना बनती हैं, तो वो बच जाती हैं. अगर वो टोटली वो होती उनके टेस्ट के थ्रू होती तो बर्ड्स उनको फिनिश कर देते खा के, और फिर वो उसका एक्सपेरिमेंट जो है प्रोजेक्ट या तो इनकम्प्लीट रह जाता है, फेल हो जाता है. His project was to see if birds would eat monarchs. हाँ, उसका जो प्रोजेक्ट था वो यही था कि क्या पक्षी मोनार्क तितलियों को खाएंगे. It was his project. Project wins. Project wins. प्रोजेक्ट की जीत होती है. He found that a starling would not eat ordinary bird food. He found that starling is a bird. This bird would not eat the food of other ordinary birds. It would eat all the monarchs it would get, but they will eat all the monarchs. This project was placed first in the zoology division. This project came first. It was placed first in the zoology division. It came third overall in the country science fair, but its position came first in the country science fair competition. ये प्रोजेक्ट कि वो बर्ड्स उसको खाते हैं या नहीं, तो he got success. New theory, new fact. अब now comes the new fact. In his second year in high school, a bride began the research. It led to his discovery of an unknown insect hormone. Now he started unknown insect hormone. वो इंसेक्ट के हार्मोन जो अननोन है, जिनकी पहले कभी खोज नहीं हुई हो, उसने अपना रिसर्च स्टार्ट किया. Indirectly it led to his new theory on the life of cells. Indirectly he was proceeding or advancing towards the new theory on the life of cells. About gold spots on butterflies. Sometimes we have ever noticed that there are many gold spots on the wings of butterflies. This is also a theory. The question he tried to answer was simple. Why the spots are found? Why the gold spots are found on butterflies? This was a main question. The question he tried to answer was simple. What is the purpose of the 12 tiny gold spots on a monarch pupa? There are 12 tiny gold spots where on the body of monarch pupa. Everyone assumed the spots were just ornamental. हर एक जना ये सोच रहा था कि ये तो एक सिर्फ सुंदरता के लिए होते हैं, ताकि वो बटरफ्लाई आगे जाके जब एडल्ट बन जाए तो वो और ज़्यादा सुंदर दिखे, अट्रैक्टिव लगे, फैसिनेटिंग लगे. बट डॉक्टर अर्कहर्ट didn't believe it. But what happened? Dr. Urquhart didn't believe this theory, and he started to research on hormones. To find the answer, a bright and another student built a device to find its answer. Why the gold spots are found on monarch pupa? Bright and the other student built a device. Device means equipment. इसको और आगे बढ़ाने के लिए यह हार्मोन का रिसर्च अब वो कर रहे हैं स्टार्ट. It showed that the spots were producing a hormone. These spots produced a hormone. It was necessary for the butterfly's full development. It was necessary for butterfly's full development and fully matured. This project won a bright first place in the country fair. This project won first prize in the country fair. It also won an entry into the International Science and Engineering Fair. It also made a place into the International Science and Engineering Fair. दोनों जगह फ़ायदा हो गया इस के ऊपर जो स्पॉट्स पाए जाते हैं इसके रिसर्च से. ये और क्या रिसर्च था कि these spots are very necessary for his full development. There he won the third prize और place for zoology. ये zoology के लिए भी थर्ड प्लेस इसने पाया. This is third achievement for him. He also got a chance to work in Walter Reed Army Institute of Research. This is the fourth achievement of Albright. इसको रिसर्च करने के बाद उससे he got these 4 achievements. Firstly, he got first place in country fair. Secondly, he got entry into International Science and Engineering Fair. Third, he won the third place for zoology. And fourth, he got a chance to work in Walter Reed Army Institute of Research. Okay, now he is progressing gradually continues advanced experiments. Now he continues his advanced experiments. As a high school junior, he continued his advanced experiments on the monarch pupa. That year his project won first place at the International Science Fair. This is also his achievement. Achievement after achievement are added to his research, and now he is advancing towards a great success. Now students, I am going to stop here. This is sufficient for today, and I think you would have understood the story point wise, and I am sending its summary hand to hand with this video. Okay, and I will continue tomorrow to clear some points of this story of making scientist, and I will end here. Okay, so today it is sufficient for today, and take care of yourself. Use sanitizer and use mask, and be careful. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.